Hello and welcome to the video walk around of the 56RXW Volvo S80 D5 in white finish with a 17-inch Volvo alloy wheels. All four alloy wheels of the vehicle are in good condition. It's got front and rear parking sensors. Split fold rear seats. And the front view of the vehicle is got front forks and headlamp washers. Contrasting full leather interior with 5 headrests. ISOFIX for child seat preparation. A rear center armrest with some cup holders and storage department. Very good sizable leg room. Over there it's got a 12-volt power outlet. And for your safety it's got front, side and rear airbags. On the side of the seats are the side airbags, and over there in the corner are the rear airbags. So this is the finish of the door. It's got some kind of aluminium trim, leather in the handles, some storage department in there, and speakers on the rear doors. It's got a child lock as well. There we have the electric windows and 40 mirrors. It's got memory driver seat. My colleague didn't know I'm recording the video. Excuse me about it. It's got automatic transmission, push button to start, a multifunctional steering wheel with the cruise control on the left hand side. So over here it's got some cup holders, some storage department and a 12-volt power outlet. A center armrest which is in very good condition, as you can see. So the auxiliary is in there, some storage department. I have for the power device the remote. I have the remote for the sat-nav. I think the batteries are low on it. It's got lumbar support on the both seats. Then over here, as you can see, it's got the iPhone charger, which can be easily removed if you wish. There we go. So it's got heated seats, air conditioning with a doors on climate control. AM/FM radio and a CD changer, which is in the high performance sound as well. It's up to 6 discs. It's got auto rear with the mirror as well. In the glove box we have the user manual. This was the video walk around of the 56RXW Volvo S80. To book a test drive or for any further information, please give us a call. Thanks for watching.